Lily, have you seen my phone?
I am cooking right now. Why are you asking me?
Because I cannot find it anywhere.
You always lose your things.
I checked the bedroom and living room.
Then check your brain too.
Very funny. I am serious.
I am serious too. You never keep things properly.
Maybe I left it here in the kitchen.
This is a kitchen, not your phone shop.
Please help me. I really need it.
I am cutting vegetables. Can't you see?
I can see, but I need my phone.
And I need peace.
Why are you angry today?
Because you always disturb me while I cook.
I only asked one question.
One question becomes 10 questions.
I am not doing anything wrong.
Really? Yesterday you forgot your wallet.
That was only one time.
No, that was one of many times.
Okay. Don't get angry.
Then stop asking me every second.
Maybe my phone is on the table.
Then go and look there.
I already checked.
Then check again.
Why are you talking like this?
Because I am busy.
You don't have to be rude.
And you don't have to lose your phone every week.
I only need a little help.
Help yourself first.
Fine. I will search alone.
Good idea.
Wait, maybe I left it in the car.
Then go to the car.
It is too hot outside. You are not helping me at all.
I am helping this food, not you.
Wow, that hurts.
I don't have time for drama.
Actually, I wanted to ask something else.
What now?
I was thinking maybe we can go shopping today.
Shopping? Really?
Yes, you said you wanted new dresses.
Really? You remember that?
Of course, I listened to you.
Oh my God, you're so sweet.
So, are you still angry?
Maybe a little, but I'm happy now.
That changed quickly.
Shopping changes everything.
Now you are smiling.
Because you finally said something useful.
So, can you help me find my phone now?
Wait, is that your phone in your pocket?
Oh no, yes it is.
You made me angry for nothing.
But now you are happy.
You made me angry for nothing.